Good morning from Trakai. Look at this wonderful view that I have. It's spectacular. And even a hot air balloon popped out. It just gets better and better. It is 8:40 a.m. and I am out exploring Trakai, this small beautiful city in Lithuania. Look at this gorgeous view, and I am here on a small jetty out on the Lake Galvė and ready for another morning swim, as I took one earlier, like half an hour ago, with more extensive fog, and now the sky starts to clear out and we have a wonderful view. It is 22nd of September 2024, and despite being only 8 degrees Celsius in the air outdoors, it feels a lot warmer than that, maybe because the lake is 20 degrees Celsius. I have just measured and it looks absolutely amazing indeed. Look at this reflection. And we can see also here the Trakai Peninsula Castle there behind the forest, and the lake is so amazing and so nice. I already took a swim, and there are also plenty of fish in this lake, as I can see, which means that it's so nice for a swim indeed. And there's another hot air balloon now. So alright, let's then get going and enjoy with the swim here in Trakai with this wonderful view. And yeah, Trakai is probably one of the most visited places in Lithuania after Vilnius, and many tourists come here to check out the castles. So Trakai has over 200 lakes, different lakes, with Galvė, this one being the largest one, and there are, I think, around 20 islands as well here in Trakai. Alright, so let's then get going and have a swim here on this jetty right here on the lake that has actually very nice view. In the morning, I suppose, only because then the sun turns around. There is also a nice staircase in here. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Trakai, Lithuania. I just can't believe that I'm taking a swim in this late September day in Lithuania. So yesterday I have taken I had few beach adventures in Vilnius on the river Neris. So now it's time for some lake adventures in Trakai. So Trakai is located just half an hour away from Vilnius. I took the morning train and it took 36 minutes exactly to come here. And the ticket costed only 28 cents of a euro, because today is car-free day, the international one, and there was like 90% discount, so it was interesting. I had no idea that it was that day today, but with this wonderful view over here on Lake Galvė in Trakai, let's take a swim and enjoy. Wonderful indeed. It's not even 9 a.m. and I'm already at the second beach adventure for today, but it's good to clear it out of the way because I want to visit also the castle and have nice sightseeing tour also. wonderful. Yes, so there is two main castles here, Peninsula Castle and Island Castle. Not really sure if I will have time to visit them both inside, but let's see. As I have a train to catch back at 1:40, so that means I have only 4 hours, actually 5 hours left, so let's speed up. Then, thank you so much for watching this episode from Trakai, and yes, I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures. It's Chris!